So hey guys, what's up? How are you all? I hope so that you all were fine. So today in this video I'm going to explain about Remix.Ethereum.org. So how exactly it works, and we are going to code Solidity. So what is Solidity? So actually this is a programming like language because this is only used in blockchain, mostly in blockchain, and the thing that I am going to explain in this video is all about Solidity, that what is the syntax, and we are going to use Remix IDE which is present online. So let me first of all open that. So as you can see over here, so this is the Remix.Ethereum.org, which is online platform to code in Solidity language. So let me accept this, next, and everything else. This is all common. So basically we know that what exactly IDE do. The IDE that help us to run the code and see the result in the form of output. Let us assume that we are noob in coding, and we know nothing that, but IDE help us to uh, learn that and implement that thing in easy way. So that is why we are using remix.ethereum.org firstly, and then we will move forward to the PS code part, and we are going to code on that part, because in online mode the thing is seems not too easy to save the data. It is only for learning purpose. So that's why my first video is on remix.ide. We are used to code and learn about the syntax. Okay, so let us proceed. So we are going to sign a new contract, and inside contract we are going to uh, run the code. Okay, so let me click over here, right click, and let me create a new Sol project. Okay, let me name it as new.sol. So as you can see over here, it's a clear screen, and this is the IDE present online, as I have said you before. So here in this I'm started writing the code. You know nothing, but I am here to assist you with. So progma, what is this? So as in Java we use package, but in this case, in Sol case, we use progma Solidity. Okay, what is Solidity? It's a language, it's a syntax basically. So let us type the this is version that I'm typing right now. So the version that we are going to use is oldest version, not new. We are going to use new in VS Code, but for us oldest version is good, as we all know that old is gold. So now I'm going to sign the contract. Here we go. The contract name should be Inbox or something else, whatever you like. So firstly I am going to name my project as Inbox, and sorry, my project name is new.sol, but our contract name is Inbox. So inside this I'm going to declare one string. So as you see that this all seems like Java or JavaScript. So it resembles all the coding together. So you don't need to learn it twice, thrice. If you know Java, then you are going with this language very easily, and you are able to learn everything innately. Okay. So let me declare it as public, string public. What we want a message string. Okay. Now we are going to declare some functions which will help us to declare or initialize our code. So the function should be Inbox. So as you see that our contract name is Inbox, but I am declaring function again over here. whose name is inbox. So basically, as you know about constructor in Java, so what exactly constructor do? Constructor will help us to uh, used as a default programming as we want to declare some more things inside this class. So this will help us to manage all these things. So as you can see over here, I have closed this here, but this is not the syntax of this thing. We are going to declare it as function, so we are going to close this as parenthesis. So here inside we are going to pass a message, as you can see over here, message. So this message should be anything. You could write anything over here, but as we have declared it already, so let me change this, save this inside our memory, and it should be not the same but initial message. Okay, it should be public, so we will access it inside any class or any file in this contract. Okay, so here inside I'm going to use the message that we have declared outside as public. So now you understand why we use public keyword. Okay, so this should be initial message. Now I'm going to create a second function. So let it be set message, because we are going to set message firstly. Constructor will run after that. Firstly, our simple function will run firstly. Okay, so when I run this function, then you will learn, when I run this contract, you will able to see that how exactly output comes up, and the thing will clear then. So I would like to use memory over here again, because I wanted to save this and inside our this function. So let it be new message. The syntax should be same so that I am not explaining again and again. And here again we are going to use message because we have declared it outside. So let it be new message. So the message will be saved inside our memory called as new message. So now this is the syntax. Now let me run this project. Firstly compile new.sol, and then I'm going to what it's saying. Okay, let me close this. Let me compile it again. So I got this error. Okay, there's no need to worry, we are going to run this again. We are going to use JavaScript VM. Okay, this will help us a lot, and we are going to use y is equal to ether. But we use this y. Okay, so let me check that what is the error. Let me paste this new.sol over here inside wallet. Let me run my project right now, and I would like to delete this. Okay, let's see that how exactly it works. When I compile, it says there is some error seems to have. So this is not a programmer, this is pragma. So it's my bad. So that's why the error comes up again and again. So if we have changed our name of this package, which is 3_wallet.sol, so there is no need to worry, it will work fine for us. Let me compile. Great, now it's workable. Let me deploy this. So as you can see over here, there is some hash code generated inside this. Basically it's a hash. So if I write here something like hi there, so what exactly it will provide me? So right now I'm not going to type here anything. I just want to type inside this inbox hi there and set it After setting it, it generate another hash which will be stored inside this message. Okay, so when I click on message, it will provide me the message that is hi there. But all in this case, the thing that is common is hash from. So as you all know that blockchain works with hash and some gas which will be available here. So exactly what gas is, it will help us to transfer our funds by paying some amount. It should be anything, but some amount is valid which will be available online. So that's all for today. I have understand. I think that you understand that how exactly Solidity works, and I have already explained that how to get this kind of stuff like deploy the project and everything else. If the thing that is left behind is practicality, we are going to learn this again and again, and we become professional or expert. Anything you will say. So have a nice day. Good day.